please find a quiet spot and just sit down with your eyes closed while I guide you in this meditation today. Take a deep breath. Hold and release through the mouth. Take another deep breath, a nice refreshing gulp of fresh air. Hold and release through the mouth again. And take one last deep breath. Hold and let go. And now focus on your gentle, regular breathing. Sitting quietly on your chair or sofa or the ground, wherever you are seated, just allow the earth or the sofa or chair to carry all the weight for you. And now, as you are sitting there feeling lighter, feel a warm, loving rainbow colored mist envelop you, completely surround you. And it is a kind of thick and dense mist, so you can't really see through. And then the mist begins to disappear, just magically vanish, and you find yourself transported to the bottom of a beautiful hill. All around you are hills that have turned green and colorful, with the spring flowers blooming all over. And it just felt like a really long winter. And this past year has kind of felt like a really long winter. And now we are getting ready for spring. There appears right before you a path that is inviting you to step forward. And this is the path you will take for a short hike up the hill. And once you get there, there is something waiting for you that is filled with beauty and promise. You don't know what awaits you at the top, but the anticipation nudges you forward. Take one step at a time on this path. There is no rush. This is your time to be with yourself and nature. As you walk up the path, notice the shrubs and the plants growing through rocks on the hillside. It is a marvel that these shrubs and plants that are so soft have the resilience to grow through or around the rocks that are so hard. Keep moving forward. Feel that gentle breeze flowing and caressing your face as you walk up. Listen to the birds chirping and chiming, so busy with their lives. As you keep walking up on the hillside, there are beautiful yellow flowers. They popped up as if out of nowhere. Just a few weeks ago, there was nothing here except the winter. The hills looked barren and brown, and yet now they are covered in lush green, yellow. The cycle of birth, death, and rebirth is never more apparent as it is during springtime in nature. Everything that is born comes to an end, and then there is new that is reborn. And so the cycle of life and death continues. Keep walking up the hill, stopping to look at the beautiful vistas. And just for a moment, stop and observe the hawk flying right above, up in the clear blue sky. It moves in circles, making swiftly swooping down motions every once in a while. The hawk is free, has no deadlines to meet, no Zoom calls to attend, no chores to finish. In these moments, feel that freedom. Feel your wings opening, ready to take flight. Feel your heart expanding. Take a deep breath and let go. And bring your attention back to the path. Now we are getting really close to the top of the hill. As you arrive to the top, you are taken by surprise. Right at the top is a beautiful meadow. Step into the meadow and with your eyes closed, feel the loving breeze. And listen to the rustling of the lush green grass. Take off your shoes and walk on the grass barefoot. Feel the dewy wetness underneath. The soft grass massages your feet gently as you walk on it. And somewhere in the background, you can hear a brook running gently over round and smooth pebbles. Sit down with your eyes closed, or simply lay down in nature's bed. Take it all in. Let nature heal you inside and out. Allow your body to rest. And in a moment, the mist comes over again. And completely envelops you. And then as it disappears, you find yourself back in the original spot where you were meditating. Stay with the feelings you experienced while on the hilltop. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes. Namaste.